Hello all, in this video I will explain the concept of time zones and how time is calculated at different parts of the world. Okay, so to understand this concept, first we need to understand the concept of longitudes. So what is a longitude? So longitudes are the semicircles that will connect north and south pole of the earth. So as we can see in this image also, these semicircles are the longitudes which connect the north pole and south pole of the earth. So what scientists have did, they have taken this one longitude which is passing through the Greenwich area in London as a prime meridian or the 0 degrees meridian. So suppose this is the earth. Imagine a center point on the earth. Let's say it is the core region, that is the center of the earth, and these are the outer semicircles. Okay, these are the outer semicircles that are what we are calling it as the longitudes. Okay, and how these longitudes are formed on the earth? So from the center point, take this point as O, and the meridian which is passing through the Greenwich, suppose this is the Greenwich meridian. Okay, Greenwich meridian, and you want to locate the area of New Delhi here, which is present here, that is point P, and intersect these 2 points, this 0 degrees longitude and the 0 degrees meridian and the point P that indicates the Delhi region. The distance, the angular distance which is present between these 2 points is what we are calling it as the longitude of the area. So what scientists have did, actually they have taken this 0 degrees meridian which is passing through the Greenwich area as the standard meridian, and the angle that is making, that is present between this 0 degrees meridian and any other area on the globe, which will give the certain angle, is called as the longitude. And these longitudes are based on the different degrees. So what is this degrees concept? For the sake of understanding, we have taken the two-dimensional picture of the earth here. So this is the prime meridian which is passing through the Greenwich area in London, that is 0 degrees. So when we are traveling towards the east region, the latitude will obviously increase, right? The intersection points will obviously increase, right? So till 180 degrees it will increase, and when we are traveling towards the west region also, the latitude will definitely increase and towards this 180 degrees. So these two 180 degrees are the same line. If we can visualize like it is a spherical point. So this is the prime meridian, right? This 180 degrees will be located exactly opposite here only, on the other side of this globe. Okay, so actually the persons who are traveling towards the east region of this meridian will gain time. So actually while traveling towards east, the latitudes are obviously increasing, right? The angle is obviously increasing, and because of the rotation of the earth of around 360 degrees in 24 hours. What is this 360 degrees? The circle, right? Earth is in a circular shape, right? Or the geoid shape, right? So it will take approximately 24 hours to rotate around itself. That means if we divide this by 24 hours, per 1 hour the earth is rotating obviously 15 degrees. So that means for every 15 degrees latitude, 15 degrees longitude, you will gain a time period of 1 hour, right? Suppose if you are traveling east, you will gain a period of 1 hour. If you are traveling west, you will you will lose a time of 1 hour. Okay, that's how the time is calculated. Okay, now we will understand the concept of international dateline. So as we have seen, this is the prime meridian, right? This is the prime meridian, right? The another one is the international dateline, which is located around that 180 degrees longitude. So what is happening here? This 180 degrees longitude is present almost in the Pacific Ocean region. So this line actually divides the dates of different countries. So suppose here this way, here it is May 10th, here it will be May 11th, and because of Earth is rotating from west to east, right? So first we will see the date here, and then so if a person is traveling, so in the international dateline, if a person travels east of this international dateline, he will gain a time of 24 hours, and if he travels to the west from this spot to this area, he will lose a period of 24 hours. And when you observe this line, this line is in a zigzag manner. Why? Because there shouldn't be any chance that if in case this line divides a small island into two parts, so one part will be having one date and the other part will be having another date. So one small island having two different dates is not viable, right? It will create chaos, right? That's why the line is not dividing any island into different countries, different time zones, and that is the reason, because to remove that chaos only they have formed this international dateline in a zigzag manner. Okay, so that is regarding the international dateline and various time zones. Okay. Thank you.